CC 615 Cloud Infrastructure, Week 5, Infrastructure Services and Cloud Architectures, Part 2. Auxiliary services in Infrastructure as a Service environments. Infrastructure as a Service security. In a cloud infrastructure as a service environment, responsibility for security is shared between the vendor and the customer. The vendor is responsible for security of the hardware and software virtualization platform, but the customer has to make sure the server deployments they provision are kept safe by applying operating system patches, antivirus software, and practicing safe and secure computing when using their servers. However, vendors do provide security mechanisms to help customers bear their share of responsibility. We have covered some security mechanisms such as network firewalls and security groups in previous weeks. We will discuss some additional tools now. Customers can deploy their public secure shell or SSH keys on their servers during provisioning and use them along with their private keys for secure server access instead of passwords, which are easier to be hacked. They can also use SSL certificates for identity verification in their cloud applications, and the vendors will help them manage the certificates. Most vendors offer machine images with hardened operating systems equipped with antivirus and security software. Also, the networking infrastructure of most cloud vendors provides for automatic detection of distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks and isolates affected servers from public internet. There are many IT security standards in different industries, such as Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard or PCI DSS for the credit card industry, and Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act or HIPAA for the healthcare industry. Cloud vendors strive for their infrastructure as a service offerings to be in compliance with such standards to meet demands of their customers. For more information about security in AWS and Azure, see the enclosed links. Monitoring cloud deployments. Cloud infrastructure as a service customers can monitor resources they have provisioned in the provider's portals. They can look up the server, storage, and VLAN statuses and usage. For compute resources, customers can monitor the overall health as well as CPU utilization, DAS and SAN storage input-output operation timing, and network traffic. They can also inspect and check operations of auto-scaling groups and load balancers. Storage and network statistics can be also taken at individual storage units and VLANs. Many vendors offer levels of monitoring, for example, free basic level, which provides rudimentary statistics, and advanced level, running monitoring agents which can collect more information and allow for defining custom metrics. Results of monitoring can be shown in the portal dashboards by displaying metrics and graphs, or by inspecting logs generated by the provisioned resources. In addition to standard graphs and logs made available by the provider, customers can define and utilize custom ones. Customers can also subscribe to alert services which will notify them when a particular usage events or error conditions occur. Amazon offers a rich set of monitoring services named CloudWatch in AWS. See this link for more information. For Azure monitoring information, see the other link enclosed. Database services. Most applications need to utilize some type of storage for their data, and many make use of databases. Even if the infrastructure as a service stack makes the middleware and runtimes the burden of customers, many vendors offer database services in some form. Vendors such as Microsoft, IBM, or Oracle have large relational database offerings, and they make them available to cloud customers along with third-party offerings. In most cases, databases are offered in the form of machine images with database software preloaded and licensing cost included in the server price. Customers can also provision servers and install databases on them themselves, bringing their own licenses. In both cases, the database and the infrastructure it runs on is managed by the customer. Vendors may also offer fully managed database services, where the infrastructure is run and managed by the vendor, including scaling and caching, allowing customers to just use the service. The days of relational database dominance are coming to a close. Today's mobile web applications want to store and have fast access to all kinds of data, like unstructured or semi-structured media files and Internet of Things readings from large sets of connected devices. For such applications, customers want to use databases which don't keep data in tables of rows, but rather in stores capable of holding document sets, media blobs, or key value pairs, with flexible data schemes and programmable indexes. Instead of using structured query language or SQL for storing and retrieving data, such databases, also called NoSQL databases, use programmatics APIs. Cloud offerings of NoSQL databases are well suited for horizontal scaling and replication. See the link provided for more information. Big infrastructure as a service vendors also make many other data services available in their cloud offering, such as big data processing support, data warehousing, and data analytics services. See the links provided for more information.